A triple net lease agreement, also known as a NNN lease, is a type of commercial lease in which the tenant is responsible for paying all of the ongoing expenses associated with the property in addition to the base rent. These expenses include property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. The purpose of a triple net lease is to shift the burden of these expenses from the landlord to the tenant. This can be beneficial for landlords, as it allows them to increase cash flow and reduce property management responsibilities. It can also be beneficial for tenants, as it allows them greater control over the property and the potential for cost savings. One of the most important aspects of a triple net lease agreement is understanding the three nets that the tenant is responsible for paying. These include 1. Property taxes, 2. Insurance, 3. Maintenance, 4. Rent escalations, 5. Lease term length, 6. Renewal options, 7. Termination options. It's important for both landlords and tenants to fully understand all of the terms and clauses of a triple net lease agreement before signing. A lawyer or real estate professional can provide guidance and help protect both parties. Advantages for landlords. 1. Increased cash flow. With the tenant responsible for paying property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, landlords can potentially increase their cash flow. 2. Reduced property management responsibilities. Landlords are not responsible for managing these ongoing expenses, which can save time and resources. 3. Reduced risk. With the tenant responsible for property taxes and insurance, landlords may face less risk in the event of a natural disaster or other unexpected events. Potential downsides for landlords. 1. Difficulty finding tenants. Some tenants may be hesitant to take on the responsibilities associated with a triple net lease, which can make it more difficult for landlords to find tenants. 2. Risk of unexpected expenses. While the tenant is responsible for paying property taxes and insurance, landlords may still be responsible for unexpected repairs or other expenses. 3. Risk of damages. Landlords may face the risk of damages caused by tenants' operations or negligence. Advantages for tenants. 1. Greater control over the property. With the ability to control property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, tenants may have more control over the property and the ability to save costs. 2. Potential cost savings. Tenants may be able to negotiate better terms for these expenses, which can lead to cost savings over time. 3. Flexibility. Tenants can negotiate the lease term length, renewal options, and termination options, which can offer them more flexibility. Potential downsides for tenants. 1. Increased responsibilities. Tenants are responsible for paying property taxes, insurance, and maintenance, which can be a significant burden. 2. Risk of unexpected expenses. Tenants may be responsible for unexpected repairs or other expenses, which can be costly. 3. Increased liability. Tenants may be liable for damages caused by their operations or negligence.